Hello, parents. Today I would like to talk to you both as an educator and someone who has seen young minds walking through my classroom door. Now, there's a common parenting mistake what generally parents do unintentionally. The first mistake, and it is a major mistake, where parents sometimes they see their child's classwork notebook or any maths notebook. The first question they ask is, did you do this correct? Is this right? Uh, what is the correct answer? Did you get correct? Did you get full marks? Now, this is not a mistake from parent side. It is also mistake from educators, and most of the teachers also make this mistake. Now, what happens is that the child takes that uh, doing correct thing is only the way to get praise or way to get noticed, or childs want their attention, and they try to copy from their friends or ask answers from their friends or just focus on the final answer. Now they miss this process, and this hurts math learning. Now, instead of that, as a parent, what we should do, that we should ask questions like, how did you get? How did you get to this solution? Even if it is wrong, that why do you think that you wrote this answer? So, in that way, you are developing the mind and also asking questions which gives the child to express his understanding about that concept. Now, this also gives opportunity for the student to express that how he or she is thinking about that particular process, and you are insisting on getting the right process, which ultimately helps the student to understand the concept rather than focus on the final answer. The second common mistake what I have observed in parents is uh, telling that I was not good in math, your mom was not good in math, or your dad was not good in math. uh, this common mistake, what happens that the child takes that it's a family thing, like I don't have this in genes, so I need not have to worry because my dad is not good in maths, because my mom is not good in maths. Although this statement may be correct, I'm not telling you that you should lie, that you should tell to your child that I was very good in maths. Now, when you focus on negative things, the negative things get attracted more. Instead of that, you should tell about the opportunities that child is having nowadays to explore, and the what how you were learning, what was your learning style. Every child has got different learning style. So, giving a blank statement like this that, oh, maths is something very difficult and I cannot do, I was not able to do. So, the child gets that message, hidden message that it is not in my genes, although which is not correct. Maybe your child is very good in maths and you are not good in maths. Maybe you are very good in maths and your child is struggling. So, you can help child with positive affirmation. So this is also one of the important thing. And another common mistake is that giving answers like shortcut method instead of focusing on process. Now, most of the teachers and also the parents, what they tell is just use this shortcut method, you will get answer. Use this shortcut method, you will get answer. Now, shortcut method should must be explained to the student, but it should be explained at the end of the process when complete process is being explained clearly. So, for example, suppose if I have to give like two pizzas to be divided by half. So, if two pizzas are divided by half, if we ask the process that what you're going to get, how many people can be fed if two pizzas are divided into half. Instead of telling 2 divided by 1 by 2 and just flip 1 by 2 as 2 by 1, you get answer, final answer. So first mistake is that you should not focus on what is right, what is wrong, how did you get final answer. And the second mistake is that please don't give the blank statement that I was not good in maths, your grandfather was not good in maths, or your grandfather was not good in maths. This is not going to help. Instead of you sending a very wrong signal, and instead of that, you can find out that how your child can learn math properly, and also giving a shortcut answers or to the question or any problem without explaining the final process is also damaging math learning. Hope this video helps you to be a better parent. Thank you.